Cool. Right, to check out this PILLBOX. I also tried my new GoPro camera, so yeah, I was going to check this beast out. Yeah, I bought a new GoPro, so I'll give it a try, see what it's like. GoPro Hero 3. So yeah, let's go check this baby out. Oh, there's the... Yeah, I bought a case for the GoPro, but yeah, it's fully watertight, so there's going to be no sound. So yeah, let's check this baby out. Get some photos as well. Oh. Cool. So yeah, pretty neat bunker actually. Well, I say bunker's actually a PILLBOX. Yeah, yeah, pretty cool there. And it's built to protect the airfield, which is over that direction. So yeah, pretty neat. And there's the way in. Probably mounting for a light anti-aircraft machine gun, be in that place, I'm guessing. But yeah, really cool. Really good nick actually, really good condition. On the outside anyway. So yeah. Cool. Let's go in. Oh, there we go. So yeah, just about to go inside this place. See what's like inside. Oh, full of rubbish. Oh, interesting. Yeah, thought so. Still got the original shelving brackets up, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So kids been there, having fun, messing around as normal. Dead neat. So there we go, it's inside this PILLBOX. And that's obviously the way we just came in. So that's not too bad actually. Keeping the worst state it is in now. So there we go, that's it. Hope you enjoy it.